tapos alis na naman mamaya. O baka hindi mo na maliligo, matulog lang sandali, manood ng TV, tapos alis na mamaya. Let's go, the Rivers. Hindi sa Riba ha. Baka Riba ang iniisip nyo. Yung Rivers dito, shop yun. Nabilihan ng mga damit ha. Tingnan natin kung ano ang masya-shopping on the Rivers. Let's go shopping. Oh, that's right. I think something around here. Is it this one? Yeah. Here. Kami sa Rivers. Sa parking niya, ha?
I think it's this way.
No?
No? Okay, I'll try.
I did not see anything there.